Did you know that somewhere in Massachusetts 50,000 pieces of pirate gold are still buried after 300 years? William Fly was one of the last real Caribbean pirates. In 1726, he got caught in Boston after stealing a massive fortune. But Fly was smart. Instead of burying all his treasure in one place like other pirates, he hid it in tiny caches all across New England. When they put him on trial, the authorities made him a deal. Tell us where the treasure is and we'll let you live. But Fly just laughed at them. He bragged that they would never find his scattered fortune. Even at his execution in Boston Harbor, huge crowds gathered hoping he would finally confess. But his last words were just more laughter. He said his treasure would sleep with the fishes in the forest forever. The only clue came from his captured quartermaster, who said the treasure was buried where 3 rivers meet beneath a hanging rock. Treasure hunters still search for it today, but nobody has found William Fly's lost pirate gold. Subscribe for more lost treasures waiting to be discovered.